welcome back to the 80 series project. For now we're going to focus on the axles. I'm going to put them in the middle here, even that one. Take it apart. I have to change the bushing as well. So it's fall apart, the diff is out. I just have to remove the trail arms and then get it ready for painting. Same this one here, I need to remove the line and fix this bit here for the spring. Diff is out. Everything cool. So tomorrow I'm gonna jump on these two, get them ready for paint, and see what's the story with this, if I can find a new one or fix this on the spot here. So that's it for today. See you back tomorrow.
3 weeks later.
We're about to rebuild this spring seat, I think that's what they call them. We're gonna cut a piece along here, about here, see, yeah, I reckon, and rebuild with the new sheet of metal. We have to do the top bit first and then the bottom. Right, let's start cutting. So this is the piece that we just cut. It's not going to be probably exactly the same because I have to do it in 2 pieces. So I have to do the top one first and then the bottom. So this is it, all done. I gave it some spray to protect it from I guess the rust, sorry. So yeah, looking good. Managed to put the diffs back on. They're now ready for primer. Also scrub the underbody with a wire brush. So that's gonna get the first coat, and then we're gonna get the axle. Right, so I just dropped the axle on the car. I haven't done the brake lines yet. I'm gonna do that last because still waiting for the dust cover, the metal shield, so I can assemble the whole axle, and then I'm gonna do the brake lines straight to the calipers. For now, it's just gonna sit like this. I'm gonna buy some dollies so I can move it around. Chassis, it's all done. Front axle is done. Still have to buy the brackets and keep them tight in here. Once I drop the front axle on, I'm gonna put the engine and the gearbox onto the chassis and then drop the cab. The front is now on. Back into the original position. That's some progress. Absolutely amazing. The rear is on as well, but it's not finished yet. Still waiting for some parts so I can finish with the assembly.